our crew went onto the roof, and when a roofing contractor got here, went with them, and they are working on trying to find the best way to stop the damage from continuing, and try to keep the roof intact so that we don't have any further damage tonight, either from additional wind or from rain.
Do you know how long the evacuation was? And was anybody hurt?
No one was hurt, and the evacuation of Dick's Sporting Goods and Old Navy will probably last for the rest of the business day today, and probably the same for Rack Room Shoes, because like I said, we had to shut the gas off to those buildings, and the potential for further roof damage does exist. Over the Old Navy store, the captain on the ladder truck said we are looking at probably most of the roof material up there is damaged, including some structural damage to the roof deck. Over the Dick's Sporting Goods, he said approximately half of the roofing membrane has been damaged.